So if a Ford throws the warning saying front camera malfunction, service required, it most likely means that there is the problem in the connections within the camera module. Of course, the first thing to check is if the camera can see the road, if the windshield is misted, if it's frozen from outside, if there is a lot of snow on this windshield and the camera zone is not clean. Of course, this is the problem and you need to clean it at first and check if the camera will behave properly in the good weather. But if you keep getting this warning when the weather is perfect, it means there is a problem with the cable that connects the camera. This is very common for Ford, and I even have found the TSB for the Ford F-150. I will leave the number of that TSB in the description and you can inspect, you can investigate that. As long as I understand, there is a problem with condensation gathering in this camera module and one of the cables has pretty weak connection and this connection is corroded and the signal is lost intermittently. So one time you start your car and everything is okay, the second time you start your car and you have this malfunction. Of course, dealers should cover this under warranty, and if they don't cover, if they make you pay for changing something, recalibrating something, you need to contact Ford USA immediately because this problem is covered under warranty. There is TSB, so Ford knows about this issue and of course it's covered under warranty. This is obviously a safety issue because when camera stops working, you don't have the pre-collision assist, you don't have the adaptive cruise control, you don't have the automatic emergency braking system, and a lot of other systems will stop working because they rely on the camera. And there is one more pretty rare scenario where you can see the front camera malfunction, service required warning in the Ford car. It's when the windshield was replaced, but the camera wasn't recalibrated. It's like a standard in the industry that all cameras, front cameras, they need to be recalibrated once the windshield is replaced or actually anything is modified in the area of the camera. So if this happened, of course, you will need to go to the place where you had the windshield replaced and claim for camera recalibration.